See, the global monetary policy framework, if you look at, it's all over the place. For example, if you look at some of the relatively smaller countries in Europe have started cutting rate. The monetary policy remains pretty accommodative in China. In contrast, if you look at Japan, in its own way, has started some level of monetary tightening, and the rate cut is getting delayed. It's now more likely that perhaps the rate cut will be deeper in Europe. And already we have reduced the rate cut expectation from US from 6 rate cuts this year to 3 rate cuts. And even the June rate cut now looks the probability, though it still remains a very strong probability, but the probability seems to be declining given the labor market conditions, given the growth, given the inflation, the way it's behaving. So given this milieu, I don't think there is a very urgent case for RBI to cut rate, especially the growth remains very strong. And if you look at the headline retail inflation, which is RBI's target, the headline is significantly above MBC's target. Though we expect the latter part of this calendar, this will come pretty close, if not below the RBI's monetary policy target. But having said that, though the consensus is expecting that in the October-December quarter, the rate cut in India will start, our sense is that that's very unlikely. And perhaps even in this financial year, RBI might not go for a rate cut. More likely that the next financial year, RBI will start cutting rates.